Howdy ho, everyone, so with the comment here, and today I have a pretty spicy unboxing for you guys. So today I am unboxing the Hasbro Beyblade Burst Evolution Switch Strike Garuda G3. So at the top of the box you see a Garuda bursting white run, but I'm not sure that's going to happen. Stamina type, advertisement for the app. Says here fantasy scene burst rates may vary. Switch Trek logo, Hasbro logo, all your stuff. And back of the box, it explains the Switch Strike ability, which is giant surface, which is why it's called Maximus Garuda, and propeller-shaped blades. This, which is the Flugel driver. This driver was originally seen on Maximus. This video was originally seen. Oh my god, I can't talk today. This driver was originally seen on Berserk Octavore, so 0 attack, 0 burst resistance, 4 defense, 4 weight, 7 agility, which is kind of surprising, and 10 stamina because it's a stamina type. And one last look at the front, back, and let's get this thing open. I'm keeping this box. But how am I supposed to get okay? Ever so gently. Alright, so right off the bat, you got your instructions to teach you how to play Beyblade, basically. Ripcord, the Beyblade itself, Maximus Garuda, 8-disc flow frame Flugel driver, Maximus Garuda, 8 flow Flugel, and your LR launcher. So get this off. These nice Switch Strike launchers that you get in the new releases. Nice LR launcher. These kind of launchers are definitely an upgrade compared to the blue standard launchers. I'll put that to the side. I will be sharing the code. Strength, and the driver popped out. Yeah, Flugel driver. These 4 wings right here create a downforce motion on the stadium when it's spinning clockwise. Just want to put that to the side. Strength, 8-disc flow frame, and the star. Strength, the Maximus Garuda layer. This thing is incredibly circular. This is like the first most circular Hasbro Beyblade. Nubian is the second most circular, and this is the QR code. If any of you guys see that, here's the QR code: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'm gonna put the Beyblade all together, and let's go. Right off the bat, these slopes seem pretty flat, kind of. These slopes seem pretty flat, but at the same time, the giant surface should be able to deflect some stuff. Well, incoming attack. Oh crap! But probably like in one of my next videos, at the back of the box, it's Maximus Garuda and Genesis Valtryek. So that might be one of my next videos. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And that is my Maximus Garuda unboxing. If you really enjoyed the video, leave a like, maybe even subscribe. Comment what you want me to do next. See you guys. Peace.